What up, though? This is Kevin Melson with Beyond Your Limits, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys some drills that will help you become a much better finisher around the basket. Finishing over big guys, around big guys, and little guys too. Alright, so if I miss any drill, or do you know any drill that you think would be good for finishing at the basket, let me know down in the comments. So without any further ado, let's get to the drills. Okay, for all of the drills, you're going to spin the ball out to the three-point line to yourself. We're also working on your footwork as well as finishing. And the first one is a one-legged floater. So you're spinning the ball out to the three-point line. You reverse pivoting. One dribble should get you to the basket. And you're shooting a floater off of 1 foot. You shoot your floater off of 1 foot when there's nobody down in the paint. You're trying to get there quick before the help defense can get over to contest your shot. And there's no one down in the paint to take a charge. And of course, we're gonna work on our left hand as well. So this time when you spin the ball out to the three-point line, you're gonna reverse pivot in the other direction, going to your left. One dribble down the lane, you're coming off 1 foot and you're shooting a left-handed floater. You want to be able to finish with both of your hands around the basket. That'll make you unguardable when you're driving to the hole. Although I'm doing these moves coming straight down the lane from the top of the key, you can do these drills coming from either wing or even the baseline. Work on your finishing package. You should be able to finish from all angles with a lot of different finishing moves. Next is the 2-foot floater. You're still spinning the ball out to the three-point line, still doing a reverse pivot, working on that footwork. You're taking 2 dribbles, that second dribble to get your feet set up for your floater. You shoot the floater off of 2 feet when maybe there's a defender down there getting ready to take a charge, or maybe there's a lot of activity in the paint and you're not sure if you might have to take some contact. You want to jump off 2 feet so you have good balance and good control so you don't get called for an offensive foul. Just like with all these drills we have here, we're going to finish both with your left hand and your right hand. So now we're just reverse pivoting the opposite direction, 2 dribbles, jumping off of 2 feet, you're shooting that floater with your left hand. Once again, if you can finish with both hands around the basket with many different finishes, once you get to the basket, you will be unguardable. Still spinning the ball out to the three-point line. This time we're changing up our pivot. You're going to do a forward pivot. First, we're starting out going to the right and you're doing a Euro step. When you do your Euro step, you're taking a small step in one direction and a big step in the other direction. So you're trying to fool the defense like you're going this way, but in actuality, your next step is going to take you the opposite way. So that's a small step right and a big step to the left, and finish on the other side of the basket. If you want to put all of these drills into one finishing workout, what I would do is I would start at maybe the right baseline, and I will go through each drill making 10 with each hand. So I would spin it out to the three-point line on the right baseline, then I would reverse pivot, come in, finish the one-legged floater, finish 10 shots with my right hand, then I would finish 10 with the left, and then next up will be the 2-foot floater. I would finish 10 with the right hand, 10 with the left. Then next up, I would be forward pivoting, and you're finishing with the Euro step, right hand, 10 left hand. And lastly, the pro hop, 10 right hand, 10 left hand. And then I would move up to the wing, to the right wing, do the same thing, straight down the top of the key, like I have been doing in these videos. That would be the next one. Then the other wing and the other baseline. And that should give you a pretty good workout for finishing around the basket. It should help you be able to finish with both hands around the basket with many different finishing moves that will help you become an elite scorer around the basket. Alright, and the last drill we're doing is the pro hop. You're spinning the ball out to the 3-point line, forward pivot. Once again, you're dribbling down, 2 dribbles. On your second dribble, you're taking a hop to the other side of the basket and finishing with your opposite hand. So you're coming down the right side of the basket. On your second dribble, you're jumping, taking a small hop to the left side of the basket, and you're finishing on that side of the basket. I can remember when I first learned this move, the pro hop. I mean, it worked so well that it felt like I was cheating out there. I think I was probably in college when I learned the pro hop, and it was just a masterful move for me. It got me a lot of points throughout my career, and so this is one of my personal favorite moves down in the paint, the pro hop. You're going off 2 feet, good balance, can finish through contact, and it's also another misdirection move where the defense is set for you to come one way and you're hopping to the other side, and that gives you a good advantage. And just like all of the rest of our drills, we're doing them on both sides. So now you're coming down the left side after your forward pivot, and you're hopping to the right side, finishing on the right side of the basket. Alright, those are some drills you can do to make you become a much better finisher around the basket. I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. If you watched up to this point, make sure you share this video with at least one friend, somebody that can get something out of this that'll help them out with their game. Alright, thank you guys for watching up to this point. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll be coming out with videos each and every week. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.